पोरण्या विधानसभेचो कामकाजाचो रिकॉर्ड ना सारको हो सामको गंभीर प्रश्न हे विशीं मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी चौकशी करची। विधानसभेच्या कामकाजाचो रिकॉर्ड आसपाकूच जाय। गोंयच्या समाजकारणाचेर प्रभाव घडोवपी इतिहासीक थारावांची म्हायती ह्या रिकॉर्डात आसा अशें दक्षिण गोंयचे खासदार फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिनान म्हटलां।
Whilst transferring them from the old to the new assembly complex. It is a matter of concern and unfortunate that such things can happen in Goa. So many issues happened during those days. Soon after liberation, Badurkar was the chief minister. Jack Sigare was the leader of opposition who fought for opinion poll. That's how you people have your jobs, but I am ex-chief minister, ex-MLA for so many terms and ex-MP. So that could happen only because of opinion poll. If Goa had to merge in Maharashtra, maybe I would have been only a Panchayat member, many others. Because there would have been at the most few MLAs representing Goa in the Maharashtra. At the most few MLAs representing Goa in the Maharashtra state. So immediately Chief Minister has to appoint somebody to see who is responsible for this, and if possible, by all means should get back the old records. The other day,